what's the most efficient way to protect OT networks?
Most efficient way.
Yeah.
So protecting OT networks, actually protecting any networks is a bit a challenge. So the most efficient way to cyber securing your network is by automating and creating automate vulnerability discovery, making network scans and asset visibility. Stuff like that will help actually to improve and to make it the best cybersecurity you can get. So by the way, by automating the cybersecurity, you can actually save costs and errors. You can improve your service by minimizing the fault and downtimes. This is definitely will reduce the risk and will help you do audits on compliance and improve your cyber defense.